Hello, welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. With the introduction of countless applications for online courses, teachers and lecturers from many disciplines of expertise now have a way to stay in touch with their students and audiences. Nonetheless, using a variety of internet platforms to gather data, make payments, download materials, and deliver courses can cause teachers more bother than it is worth. With this in mind, thanks to this fantastic online school platform, having the optimal combination of easy-to-use functionality for students and a great professional design is now achievable. In today's video, we'll talk about Teachable, a platform that makes it easy to develop and sell online courses, handling web hosting and payment processing smoothly so you can spend your time building awesome sites for your courses. Also, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's go back to Teachable. You can use Teachable as your preferred learning management system to design and deliver courses to students. Teachable's user-friendly interface is an excellent fit for course designers who want to grow their business at any stage of their career. Students can use computers, tablets, and cell phones to attend these courses, akin to an online classroom. It also gives users the ability to construct online tests and certificates that can be used to track student progress. Aside from large corporations, small and mid-sized organizations can utilize Teachable to develop and share online courses by integrating audio, video, and graphics to text and PDF documents. Intercom, Olark, MailChimp, and Zendesk are just a few of the tools that Teachable and Zapier have partnered to make available to teachers. In addition, there are other ways to collect feedback from students, such as using Google Forms. You can also send targeted emails depending on criteria such as course completion and code redemption. In addition, you can host and deliver your course content, handle payments, and enroll students with a Teachable subscription. You can also get support with your taxes and money with this service. Your students will have an exciting and intuitive learning experience without dealing with the administrative hassles that come with it. Let's take a look at what you can do with Teachable. We can begin by defining Teachable as a platform for creating and selling online courses. It isn't a marketplace. This enables educators to develop both paid and free courses while maintaining the look of a school. Teachers from various areas can reach English-speaking countries because they are geared toward the American and European markets. You can also use a Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and Google Ads to retarget visitors to your website. You can establish annual or monthly membership subscription plans with various payment choices, including free courses and up to 3 premium plans. Students can pay using PayPal or through Teachable's payment mechanism. The best part is that you don't need to be a designer or developer to build a fantastic page from the ground up. Teachable is a great place to start if you're new to developing online courses. It's simple to use, upload videos, and create landing pages for your courses and on-demand goods that generate revenue. If you are interested in getting Teachable, you can check a special link to buy their services in the description below. Not only that, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you can be notified of other great videos about software providers like this one. There are 3 payment plans to choose from when signing up for membership. You can have as many videos, courses, and hosting accounts as you want. You can also have integrated payment processing, student management, lecture comments, basic quizzes, and course certificates. You use Calendly and Zapier to arrange and host one-on-one sessions with your students to collect feedback and insights via surveys. While you're waiting, you can use your flexible page editor to create eye-catching sales pages that generate revenue. Authors, team members, and contributors can be added, and their rights and roles can be customized. Teachable solves a frequent problem with alternative payment platforms getting paid. You can offer coupons and advanced price alternatives like subscriptions, memberships, one-time payments, bundles, and more to give yourself additional pricing flexibility. Also, you can pay others to spread the news about your company using your affiliate marketing tools. If you want to get paid in more than 100 currencies, you can make international payments and go global. PayPal and smartphone payments are also available through Teachable for your online school or coaching business. You will receive support for the conversions pixel, author, and affiliate compensation, as well as first and last touch attribution. There are no tax issues if you use Teachable's gateways to sell, and it takes care of VAT as well. Let us talk now about one last and most crucial feature of Teachable, its security. It's hard to find a better online service than Teachable when it comes to customer service. It uses seamless hosting to keep your data safe, and they keep an eye on things around the clock to make sure nothing goes wrong. This is further enhanced by including instant updates, which eliminate the need to check for new features constantly. Teachable also has a 2048-bit SSL certificate, which protects your students' data while logging in and out of the platform. The data of both you and your students will be safe and secure since Teachable only works with payment suppliers who are PCI Level 1 certified. Check out the link to Teachable in the description below. If you like this video, check our playlist specific to industry-leading software. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this content was helpful. Thanks for watching.